The version of me outside lifted one hand slowly and pressed a finger to its lips. Its smile never changed. Behind me, the cold grip vanished so suddenly I almost stumbled forward. Then from upstairs, a floorboard creaked. Heavy, deliberate. Another step followed. Whatever had been behind me was moving away, but not leaving. It was climbing the stairs. The thing on the porch seemed to hear it too. For the first time, its expression changed. Its smile faded. Its eyes widened slightly, almost afraid. My phone rang. Unknown number again. I answered without thinking. For 2 seconds there was only static. Then my own voice whispered, "Lock the door before it reaches the landing." I lunged for the handle, but the soaked version of me outside suddenly slammed one palm against the door. Hard. The impact rattled the glass. Upstairs, another footstep. Closer now. The voice on the phone spoke again, barely audible. "If it reaches your bedroom, don't look in the mirror." Then the call ended. I forced the door shut and turned the lock with shaking hands. Outside, the other version of me stayed there, unmoving, watching through the glass. Then all at once the porch light went out. Its face disappeared into darkness. Upstairs, the footsteps stopped, directly above me. The ceiling creaked under slow shifting weight, as if someone was standing still and listening. My phone camera opened by itself, front-facing. At first all I saw was my own face, pale, breathing too fast. Then something pale leaned into frame behind my shoulder. A face, smiling. A new message arrived. It only appears where you refuse to look.